We will be making sun-dried tomatoes today. We will use plum tomatoes for this recipe. Let's remove the eyes of the tomatoes and peel them. Let's cut the tomatoes vertically into 3. After preparing all of them this way, let's place them on a tray. If you lay a kitchen towel under the tomatoes, they will dry much quicker. Let's sprinkle some salt over them. This will prevent any potential bug infestation. If you place the tray under the sun, the tomatoes will be ready in 7 to 10 days. It's crucial to preserve them well too. Placing them in a glass jar with a tightly closed lid is the best way to preserve these tomatoes. They are quite versatile, so you can use them in sandwiches, or you can even fry them. Just make sure you dip them in boiling water for a minute before using them. With some olive oil and oregano, they will taste amazing. Make sure you store them in a cool and dry place. Enjoy!